Hi guys, I am back with another video and this is about the iPhone 11 Pro Max. We're gonna do an unboxing. Are you excited? Okay, without further ado, let's go to the video. So this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max and I'm just gonna remove the packaging. So it says here, I chose the 256 gig. And yeah, so in the box, you have the phone, earpods with lightning connector, USB-C type of lightning cable, and the power adapter. So, let's open. Ano ba? Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Plastic. So, there you go. Ganda niya. So at the side, you can see it's a bit embossed, like a 3D effect. And I chose the color Midnight Green. So this is their new color. They have this in different colors. They have it in silver, space gray, rose gold, I think. Yeah. And the Midnight Green. There you go. Wow, ganda. Oh my god. I think this one is better than the space gray because I saw the space gray and this is very different. Yeah. But I think it depends on the lighting. It looks like space gray sometimes, pero it's really nice. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda niya. Ganda guys. Okay. Okay, so I have now the phone with a protector. So I'm not gonna remove this because I just ordered the proper screen protector. So wala pa. So I'm just still gonna wait for it. And yes. Oh god, it's so good. It's so nice in the hand. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you about the specs later. Yeah. So ayan siya. Ayan yung phone. May cover siya. And at the back, it is matte, and as you can see, the logo is already like a bit lower unlike before. Let me show you, because I have the iPhone 7, and yeah, and it has triple camera compared to this one na isa lang. And yeah, this is the nasa ano siya, taas, unlike the iPhone 11 na nasa middle part. Is already on the middle part. Inside it says designed by Apple in California, and inside you can see the manual. It says hello, and yeah, just some bits of instructions. Yep. You've got your earpods in here. Unfortunately, it's not the wireless one. Nangangatnafag lang yung wireless end. And you've got the lightning cable, and it's already on a USB-C type of cable and connector. You have your so cute. The cable. Look at the adapter. It's different from what we usually have, diba, in Apple devices. So cute. Yes. And ayan lang. And ayan siya, guys. I'm so excited. I'm gonna buy a cover for this one para yung ma-protect yung back and of course yung front side niya, front niya. So yes. Oh my god, look at the finish. Ang ganda ng finish niya. Metallic na may pagka grayish green. Grayish green. Oh, kita niyo ba? So, I want to open it. Let's see nga. Bubukas ka ba? O hindi? Siguro kailangan ko pa i-charge. Bakit di bubukas? Usually dito lang. Opening. And what is this one? Wait, ano yan? Silent. Okay. So, yung bezels ba tawag dun. So you've got here the usual on and off, and the the volume buttons at the side, and also if you want to make it on silent or loud. Oh my god, overall ang ganda niya. Ang ganda niya, besh. Ganda niya. I like it. Akala ko hindi pangit siya hawakan, pero ang cute pala siya. I like the color so much. So, bakit ayaw niya mag-on? I think you still need to charge. I'm just gonna charge this for a bit and I'll be back to you.
A few moments later.
Hello? Ayan. So, I tried to charge it. And lumabas na yung mga hello, and yung mga different languages. Grabe siya, oh. Parang metallic na pagka-greenish. Ako blue. Okay, so ayun na nga, kanina lumabas yung mga hello. And then now, yung ni-swipe up ko lang siya. So, I just chose the word English and then select region or country. And then after noon, pag nahanap mo na Philippines or whatever, since andito ako sa ibang bansa, piliin ko yung country. And yes. Ano ba? Ayan. Okay, language lang naman. And yes, click start. And then, ayun na, sign up mo agad. And then just, mga sinaset-up lang manually. Ayan. Choose a Wi-Fi. So I chose our Wi-Fi. And then so, ayun nga guys, I went through a lot of process, and yan na, welcome to iPhone, and then, it says, swipe up to get started. So, swipe up tayo, and yun na, nangyari. There you go, after swiping, so, it says here, no SIM card installed. Hindi ko kasi naging SIM card ko, but yes, later I'm gonna put it, and, ayun, overall, ang ganda-ganda niya. And maganda siya, worth your money. Just have to take care of it. And for the specs, I'll just tell you later. Hi guys, so welcome back again. So earlier in the clip, you saw the unboxing. So now we're gonna go digging deeper to the specs. So here's the phone. Yes, I already transferred all my data from my iPhone 7. You can see the difference. You know, it has a larger screen and one camera versus the 3 cameras. I went into the Apple website and I saw that I was wrong. I thought it was rose gold color, but it was actually gold. So they have 4 colors for the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max. So it's gold, space gray, silver, and newest one is the midnight green. So it depends on the lights. Sometimes it kind of look like gray. And for the size, the iPhone 11's height is 5.67 inches and the iPhone Pro Max is 6.22 inches. So there is a big difference on it. Maybe point something. But still, you know, it is a bigger phone. First time ko lang magkaroon ng malaking phone and I thought sobrang laki, hindi ko mahawakan, pero okay siya. Okay siya sa hand, okay yung grip niya, and additional na rin yung pagkamat niya, so it doesn't really slide on your hand, unlike yung mga other phones. For the display in front, there is 5.8 inches for the iPhone 11, and for the Pro Max, it's 6.5 inches. For the capacity, you have 3 choices. There's a 64 gig, 256, and the biggest one is the 512 gig. Can you see the Apple logo? It's already on the middle. I think ginawa nila yun to make way for the 3 cameras. So So before, I only have one camera, but now you get 3, which is very cool. So, ang 3 cameras na to, may 0.5 ang zoom niya, and then my ×1 and ×2. So this has already the A13 chip, 12 MP, ultra wide. There's ultra wide, wide, and a telephoto camera. So for the front camera, it's also 12 MP megapixel. So 0.5. And then a 1. And the 2. 4K video recording na siya, guys. So, very cool. So, you can use this for vlogging instead of just carrying your camera, big cameras. So, add ko lang, guys, na kapag sa portrait mode pala, before tao lang yung pwede. Pero ngayon, any objects pwede na. And mabablur na yung background, which is bagong feature ng iPhone 11. That's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Thank you. Bye.